focus. Oh shit, I don't know where to do the focus. Right, okay, here we go.
There we go. Go, Rod.
Come in, quick, quick.
No, I'm going. I've got
one click and we're done.
Quickly, one click.
Okay.
Done.
Thanks. Right,
Are you about to do a show?
Yeah.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Last weekend I went to the Isle of Wight festival. Every year they hold a rock festival over here. It's pretty good. Thousands and thousands of people turned up. I think about 60 or 70,000 this time round. It was quite busy, but I thought it would be a great opportunity to run around and take some photographs. Most of you guys know me. I'm always shooting a roll here and there, making a video, trying to get some nice pictures. But this time I thought I'd have a photographathon, or a marathon photography run if you like. I was there for 3 days. So I took the Olympus OM20 with a bunch of Kodak Tri-x. The next day I took the Leica MP with a bunch of ORWO UN54 100 film, which was a bit iffy. And the next day I took, or the last day, the Nikon F6 and a bunch of Tri-x 400. And I also took a load of colour film as well, because I was taking photographs of, remember Emma from the coffee shop? She was there selling coffees, and she actually gave me a wristband that got me backstage and stuff like that. So I was able to get some really cool photographs. So I was shooting colour as well with Emma, and most of you know me again, I don't really shoot that much colour. For me, it's a bit trial and error. So I had to have some kind of a plan at the festival. I thought, well, if I'm going to go there, what do I want to achieve? What do I want to get? So I thought, well, the first thing is, I don't shoot that much film in one go, so I thought, well, that would be quite an experience for me, shooting loads of film and seeing, you know, how it goes for me. The second thing is, what do I shoot? And I thought, well, there's going to be loads of interesting faces at the festival, all dolled up and painted and stuff, and people inebriated and whatnot. I thought it'd be great to get faces of the festival. So with that in mind, I set off and started taking me photographs. I'll show you guys the video of what I was doing, some of the bands and some of the acts that was going on, and obviously the photographs that I was taking at the time. Yeah, enjoy.
Give me the time, let me clear up my mind. Give me the time, let me clear up my mind. Give me the time, let me feel fine. Let me feel fine all of the time. Lately, winding up my feet so fine.
Wait for it to go by. 1, 2, 3. We got it. That's about right. Get you in my frame. Oh, bless you. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Whatever you may be, I surely find. I surely find. Make no fuss, just stay here. Yeah!
Picture. Cheers, guys. Let me get a bit of your smiling face, sir. Thank you. Have a good day, mate. Ladies, just let me get a picture of you in your dress.
Oh, can we have Irie in it?
Yeah, bring it. Yeah, of course you are. Yeah, absolutely. Come on. Jump in. Irie, come on.
Come on, Irie.
It'll soon be Monday.
Yes, totally.
Thank you. Got it. Cheers.
Thank you, so amazing.
And here we are at the Isle of Wight festival, and I'm here for 3 days. And this is Emma and a coffee shop with her friend Dita. And so I've got 3 days backstage past a lot, and I'm just going to mill around and take black and white photographs today with Tri-x on the Olympus OM20. I've already taken a couple. Let's get out of that sunlight. I've already taken a couple with Emma on medium format. I'm going to be shooting the Fuji 400 colour film, and also Portra 400 as well with Emma on medium format. So I'm going to show you a lot of photographs of the festival with the sounds and stuff in the background, and also a little few video clips, but mostly I'll be doing photography for this vlog. I'll see you in a short while.
Olympus.
Gotcha.
Cheers, thank you.
See you later, mate. There you guys. Yeah, if you want. Yeah, get all three of you in.
Yeah, please, yeah, is that okay?
Of course it is.
He deserves it. Upstairs, if you can, please.
Done.
Cheers, thank you.
See you guys. So this is day 2 of the Isle of Wight Festival, and I've changed it around a bit. You've already seen the photographs that I took yesterday on the Olympus OM20 and also the Kodak Tri-x 400. Today I thought I'd bring out the Leica MP and some 100 ORWO UN54 film. So today I'm going to be shooting a 100 speed film and the weather ain't that great. Well, it's nice, it's lovely and warm, but it's quite cloudy, so I kind of might have misjudged the 100 speed film, but that don't matter because I could just shoot a lower shutter speed, or maybe a 60th of a second or something like that, and risk a little bit of motion blur, but I don't mind that. So let's see what we can get with this film. What's, leave your glasses on or whatever. Where's he going? You coming in or what? Why is he next to your glasses?
I need the glasses though, because the hay fever.
Let me get the festival in the background though. Huddle around a bit more, guys, so that you're not in such a... Huddle around a bit more, like in an arc, yeah? In an arc. Yeah. There you go, I can get all your faces.
Yeah, I'm taking a picture of them.
Ready? Gotcha. Alright, chaps. It's on film, it's on black and white film. So it ain't digital.
You know it's the place I need, but you got me walking circles like a dog on a lead. To say I'm crazy that I'm in my state. I'm like the taste of macaroni on a seafood steak. But you got me switched on, baby, like electric eel in the top with extra fooling. That's just how I feel, like you pray for tell a magic trick. The party goes down. I'm walking now. So quick, and just not waiting for too long. Play it out again.
Okay. Thank you, cheers.
You're in love with a psycho. You're in love with a psycho. And there's nothing you can do about it. Got to run all up around me. You're in love with a psycho. You're in love with a psycho. And there's nothing you can do about it. You're never gonna be good. Jibber jabber at the bargain booze. We sat and shot and got you. I got nothing to lose, and I wait for you to follow me to send my tears. But you want it so quick. Nobody's gonna take you down. Stick around through the 1,000-yard stare. I'm gonna sleep in a duffel bag. I'm never up, never down, yeah. You're in love with a psycho. You're in love with a psycho. And there's nothing you can do about it. Got to run all around. You're in love with a psycho. You're in love with a psycho.
So it's day 3. Emma and Dieter are very busy on their coffee stand, and it's raining today, which might make for some interesting photographs. The first day I was here, it was sunny all day long. Yesterday when I was here, as you saw from the photographs, it started to get cold, the wind picked up, and it started to thunder and lightning actually at the end of the evening, so I went home early because I was freezing cold with a t-shirt on. But today it started to rain, so I've come prepared with a rain jacket, a polythene bag for my camera, and we'll see what we can get. Hopefully there'll be people sliding in the muds and stuff, but yeah, look how busy this lady is. Anyway, so we'll get on with it, take a few shots of Emma on her coffee stand, then we'll get out to the festival, see what we can get. I bought out the Nikon F6 today, and Kodak Tmax 400 I'm going to shoot today, black and white, and various colour films as well. So see how we get on. See you in a bit.
There's a hope, there's a dreams that we believe. Something shares a bit of friends and the rest of it. No one's free, we're slaves to be. Sooner or later, we're gonna figure it out.
I've got to get one of the Beatles.
Seems to fade, but the moonlight lingers on. There I wonder, for everyone. Oh, the star shines so bright
I've got it. So when I got back from the festival, it was time to develop. Oh my God, I looked at all of the film and there was so much of it. I think I'd shot, I don't know, 11, 12, probably near on 20 rolls of film. So the next few days I was developing, and then I got round to the colour stuff. That was taking me some time as well. Still getting used to colour, but I think they came out all right. And one of my mates, Casey, he asked me, you know, what was it like, the experience sort of shooting that much film? And I said, well, I enjoyed it. I enjoyed the shooting. I went to developing. I said, it done my head in. I said, there was so much of it and I haven't done that before. So this was a whole new experience of me shooting so much film in one time and getting it all to develop. I enjoyed it, but the developing was a little bit boring. But look at this, on the last day, when I had the Nikon F6, I took a few photographs running around at night. The 3200, I should have really had a flash with that, but you know, I just tried to use available light. They came out, that is what it is, isn't it? You know, I should have had a flash, but I didn't. But I accidentally dropped the Nikon F6. Lucky I managed to grab it in my hands before it fell on the floor, but I pulled the pin out and it flipped the back open, look. And I lost a few shots. I quickly threw the back on and thought, well, it's a bit dark, maybe I got away with it, but it's a 3200 speed film. And I lost a couple of shots, and one of them was Bridge Mohan. So Bridge, if you're watching, I'm sorry mate, thanks for giving my daughter that t-shirt, by the way. So that was that fantastic weekend with my family and seeing my mates there as well. I gained quite a lot of experience shooting film. What experience did I gain? Well, shooting so much film, you have so much bloody developing afterwards. And I did take a flash because my mates Gary and Dadina, the guy in the middle there was actually a Teletubby. He was Tinky Winky back in the day. How about that? I didn't take the flash on the last day, unfortunately, but there you go. My favourite shot out of the whole set, I must admit, it's probably quite weird. It's this one here of the shoes. I don't know why, I just saw these dirty looking DM looking boots, and I just went over the couple. They didn't know, and I just took the photograph and carried on. You didn't see their faces, you just saw a pair of shoes there. And I think the other one I liked is that couple laying down when I went right over them and took a picture. His glasses kind of attracted me for some reason, and they were a happy couple as well. So anyway, until the next festival or until the next video, I'll catch you next time.